Welcome! If you've recently noticed some changes in the Facebook app on your PC and are wondering how to update your page categories, you're in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the simple steps to change your page categories quickly with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will give you access to your personal and business pages. Next, find and enter the page where you want to change the category. When your page loads, look for the About section. This tab holds key information about your page, including categories, contact details, and other important data. After clicking on About, scroll down or look for the Contact and Basic Info section. This is where Facebook allows you to manage your page's primary details, including the categories that define your business or community. Now, right next to where it says Categories, you will see a small edit icon, usually a pencil or something similar. Click on that icon to start editing. Facebook will show you options related to your current categories and allow you to add or remove them as needed. This step is straightforward. Choose the categories that best describe your page, so that customers or followers can find you more easily and understand what your page represents. Once you've made the desired changes, simply click Save to update your page's category settings. And that's it. Your page categories are now updated. It's a quick and easy process that helps keep your Facebook presence accurate and relevant, especially with the latest app update on PC. If you follow these steps anytime you need to adjust your page categories, you'll maintain clear communication with your audience and make sure your page reflects exactly what you want it to be. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Facebook page management.